Amazon is likely one of your biggest competitors in your business, especially if you sell direct to consumer. And I want to talk about why people are buying from Amazon and not from you. Amazon gets so much hate from people because they offer free shipping, because they get products to you in 2 days, and you feel like you just can't compete with Amazon. But I want to give you a different way of looking at Amazon and looking at what they're doing right with their business model and how you might be able to pull a few things that Amazon is doing in their business to your business. If we have not met before, my name is Carrie Fitzgerald. I am an e-commerce product business consultant, coach, educator, doer of lots of different things. I have taken a bit of a hiatus with this channel and it's coming back, and I'm really excited to be bringing you some new fresh content each week starting in September. So I am excited. Okay, let's talk about it. So the first thing that Amazon does really, really well is they have fast and free shipping. So I know the first thing you're going to tell yourself is, I can't do free shipping. I can't get products to people in 2 days. So I want to kind of break that down a little bit more. So when it comes to Amazon, they do so many things right, and you don't have to compete with them on every single thing. When it comes to Amazon versus a direct to consumer business such as yourself, the biggest thing that you can do for your customers is provide an awesome experience for them. And whether or not your shipping takes 2 days or 2 weeks, you can still communicate that on your website, on your product pages, in your post purchase email workflow. So it doesn't mean that you have to ship everything in 1 second. So when it comes to shipping in Amazon, you probably can compete with their 2 day shipping. Not many people can. But what can you do when it comes to shipping? One, you can offer free shipping. So that doesn't mean it's free for you. So I want you to remember that. Just because I'm telling you you can offer free shipping doesn't mean it has to be free for you. So there's a few things you can do. One is you can have a free shipping threshold. So on your website, you basically tell people, and you do this in Shopify in the shipping rules. You have a little thing on your banner that says something like free shipping if you spend $35, $50, $100, whatever it is, come up with a number and offer free shipping if people hit that threshold. So again, it depends completely on your product and on your business. I see a lot of apparel companies or skincare companies that offer free shipping if you spend $75 or $100. So again, if a customer is spending $150 with you and it costs you $10 to ship a package, that's a really great incentive to get people to buy from you. Free shipping, shipping is the highest reason that customers will abandon their shopping cart. So if you offer free shipping, it's going to get more people to buy from you. 100%, you will always get more business if you offer free shipping. So like I said, you can offer a really high threshold. So if you have a product that is $10 and someone buys one product, okay, fine. They're going to have to pay for shipping. But what can you do to get them to not buy one product, but to get to buy a bunch of products? You have to have that free shipping threshold. So instead of, not offering any free shipping, again, pick a number, create a shipping rule in your Shopify store, and then right on your website, you can have it the header in your header statement or an announcement bar. Free shipping if you spend $50, $100. I guarantee you will get more people that will spend that $100 just to get free shipping. People will spend more to get free shipping. So again, you're not giving it away for free, but you're getting people to spend way more money with you. And again, in the long run, that is what you want for your business. And then when it comes to like the whole Amazon 2 day shipping, you don't have to do that. I've never not ordered a product from a brand just because it wasn't going to show up at my door in 2 days. With that said, if I needed a product, urgently, I would probably just go to the store and get it myself. So you have to understand when it comes to consumer and buyer psychology, the 2 day shipping is very incentivizing. Yes, it doesn't mean you have to have it. You want to be clear with shipping expectations, especially with the holiday season coming up. Be very clear how long it takes you to ship a product. Have that on your website, have it on your FAQs, have it on the product pages. this product will ship within 5 business days, 6 business days. Give people a frame of reference on when they can expect your product. Because if they don't know when it's going to ship, they might not buy from you. And two, they're going to be emailing you being like, where's my freaking product? So make it easy for them to know when the product will likely ship. And then you want to obviously have all your shipping updates are going to go to your customers. And that is all through whatever shipping platform you use. My favorite is Pirate Ship. Okay. Number two, ease of ordering is the second thing that Amazon does really, really well. They make it so freaking easy to buy a product from them. You literally go, you search, you're like, I'm looking for a stainless steel water bottle. You kind of scroll through a couple options. You might look at reviews. You click a button and it's on the way to your house. So they make it idiot proof to buy your product. And on a lot of websites that I look at, I see that a lot of you are making it very hard for customers to buy from you. You have very overly complicated checkout processes. You don't offer a lot of payment options. For example, PayPal. Um, PayPal should be, and you can argue with me if you want to, PayPal should be a payment option for you. Why? PayPal is just like Amazon. All your information is already in that system. And so when someone is trying to buy a product, they don't have to go and type in their address. They don't have to go and type in their name. They don't have to go and create an account. They don't have to put in their credit card information. PayPal makes it easy for people to buy, just like Amazon does. So I really want you to take the things that Amazon is doing well and incorporate those into your business. It doesn't have to be some earth shattering thing. It can literally be a payment processor such as PayPal on your website checkout process. So if someone does buy from you, you're letting them buy from you, but it's easier because you're not requiring them to go and plug in all the information. And trust me, you might think it's not a big deal to plug in a name and email and address and credit card, but trust me, your customers don't want to do it. We have become lazy, lazy as time goes on. We don't want to get our ass off the couch and go and grab a credit card. Or, so many times when I'm buying something and I have to actually type in my information, I actually get annoyed. And that sounds bad, but it's because companies like Amazon have made us very, very lazy. So if you can't beat them, play with them. Okay. So make it easy for people to buy from you. Do not ever require people to create an account in Shopify. Make it optional. You can do that in your Shopify settings. Find the settings, make sure accounts are optional, not required. If you require people to create an account before they buy from you, I'm going to assume your cart abandonment rate is like 100% because no one's going to buy. Just FYI. Two, make sure there's no unnecessary questions. I was reviewing someone's website recently. It was a subscription box. She's one of my students in my e-commerce society membership program, and she has a subscription box, and she was asking the customers, like, I want to say there was like 10 little pages of questions. How did you hear about us? What size this? What size that? Do you want this option? I was like, this is like, and this is no disrespect to her. Her website was beautiful. It was just the checkout process was way too complicated. You should not be ever be asking someone where they heard about you before they fucking give you their credit card. So you got to get rid of that stuff. If it's not needed, don't ask for it. So that's just one personal story that I had to share. Her website is beautiful, but I was like, oh my gosh, you have to get rid of all that stuff because the more questions you ask people, the more likely they are not going to buy from you and they're going to click out of that website very, very quickly. So again, Amazon makes it easy to buy from you. They have a one to two click purchasing thing. How can you incorporate that for your business? It could be as simple as adding PayPal, making accounts optional, done. Okay. Lastly is convenience. Again, Amazon makes it literally easy for you to order anything that you want to in about 3 seconds. It's a marketplace, so you might not be able to compete with a marketplace, but again, you can go to Amazon and you can literally say, I want a stainless steel water bottle, and you can be literally watching The Bachelorette on TV in your underwear, and you can order a product in about 20 seconds. And I can't tell you the amount of times that I have literally been like, I need this one product. I'm going on a cruise and I wanted to get Dramamine, and I also wanted to get some other kind of like anti nausea ginger candy or something. And so again, I went to Amazon, because this is like a perfect Amazon product that you would buy. I don't care what brand it is. I just need something quickly because I leave in just a few days. So, but they just make it easy for people to buy. So this might be not something that you can do on your website, but again, I would just say in general, make it easy for people to buy from you. If you sell like Dramamine or anti-nausea products on your website, are you making it easy for people to also find other related products that could be a good fit for them? So I hope this video was helpful. Please go ahead and subscribe and leave me a comment below and let me know which one of these tips you found helpful and how you're going to try to compete with Amazon in your business. And again, if you're interested in more support in your e-commerce store, I have a membership program called the E-commerce Society, and you can get started for $39